In this video, I will show you use of Ctrl plus any key shortcut in computer or laptop A to Z. So I will show you A to Z shortcut keys in computer or laptop, and this shortcut will work in Windows laptop. So first one is the Ctrl+A to select all. To select all data, press Ctrl+A. We can say this way we can select all data in our PC, and also this key will work in almost all program in Microsoft Word, Excel or any another program. By pressing Ctrl+A you can select all. You will get this list in this website. Ctrl+B to make the bold any text. So select, then press Ctrl+B. This way you can bold any text. Without any program it will not work. So firstly you need to open any program that this shortcut is used. So select any text and press Ctrl+B to bold that text. Third one is Ctrl+C to copy, like you want to copy. So select it, then press Ctrl+C. Now paste anyway by pressing Ctrl+V. So to copy, select it and press Ctrl+C to copy any text or any object or any file folder, like you want to copy this file. So right click and copy from here. Also you can use this shortcut. Select it, press Ctrl+C and paste anywhere in your document. Ctrl+D, font dialog box. By pressing Ctrl+D you can open font dialog box. Like this. If you are using the MS Word, so you can see this shortcut Ctrl+D. So this is the font dialog box. Here you can adjust the size, color, style, and you can apply any effect. So firstly you need to select any text like this one. Now press Ctrl+D. Now here you can apply, and here you can see the preview. You can change the size and click on OK. Ctrl+E to make your text in center. Like select it, press Ctrl+E, so it will appear in center. Select it, then press Ctrl+E. So this way you can make it center. Like this. Ctrl+F to find anything in your PC. Press Ctrl+F. So this find option will appear in Note, and you can find it any text later. Like I want to find table. Now click here. So it will highlight In File Explorer, Ctrl F. So your cursor will keep here. Here you can find anything like any file or folder name. Similarly, this will work in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So almost you will find this shortcut key useful for any type of program like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Next one is Ctrl+G, go to. So keep here, press Ctrl+G. So find and replace, and you will get this feature go to. So if you have the multiple page, just enter the number for any particular page. So it will access you that particular page. Like you have 300 pages in your Word document. For example, I will show you. I will add some dummy text here. So now we have a large number of pages in this document. We have 22 pages. Now press Ctrl+G and enter the number 15 and go to. So it will redirect you in page number 15. Similarly, if you have the section, so enter the section number, line. So we have so many lines and we need to direct access for line 33. Then click on go to. So it will keep your cursor on that particular line. So to see properly, firstly we will insert the line numbers. Now Ctrl+G and enter line number like 51. Go to. So we can see now cursor is in line number 51. So Ctrl+G and there are bookmark, comment, footnote, endnote, field, table. So many options you can see here. If you have multiple headings, so just enter the heading number and you can go to direct that particular query. Next one is replace. Ctrl+H, find and replace. So press Ctrl+H. So firstly you need to find any particular word like online. And if you want to replace with offline. So once appear online, it will replace with offline. You can replace with one by one like this. And you can replace all in just one click. Also you can find that particular, and if you like to change here or click on find next and replace. Next one, to make italic, like select your text. Now press enter, press Ctrl+I, so it will italic. Select it and then Ctrl+I. To remove italic, same press Ctrl+I. Next one is J, to justify. Select your text and press Ctrl+J. So it will justify. Select and Ctrl+J. Next one is hyperlink. To open the hyperlink, Ctrl+K. Now here you can link to any file or web page. Select the display text like link is here. Now select any folder, any page, your recent file. Also you can replace and you can make the link for this document for a heading of a bookmark or new document email address. If you want to learn how to use hyperlink, so search in my channel. I created already that video, and use of Microsoft Word. You will find so many videos related Microsoft Word, so you can check out it. Next one is L, to left align. Select it, then press Ctrl+L, so it will change the line. We can see here. Next one is the Ctrl+M to paragraph indent. So we can see here on this paragraph. Select it and then press Ctrl+M. Next one is N, to create a new file. Press Ctrl+N, so it will create a new file. Same here in Notepad, in Excel, in PowerPoint, anywhere in your laptop you can create a new file. Press Ctrl+N. Similarly, if you are in the File Explorer, press Ctrl+N, so it will open a new Explorer like this. Ctrl+N. Next one is O, to open any file. Ctrl+O, like in MS Word. Ctrl+O, it will show you your recent files. Also you can select from your PC, from any folder. Next one is P, to print file. Ctrl+P and just click on print. Also you can adjust the size and paper in this print setup. Same this will work in Notepad. Ctrl+P, and this will work almost in all programs like Excel, PowerPoint, Illustrator, Adobe. So this is the universal shortcut to print your file, page, image or anything. Ctrl+P. Next one is Q, inverse intent. So press Ctrl+Q. Select your text or paragraph and press Ctrl+Q. Next one is Ctrl+R, to right align. We already did left align by pressing Ctrl+L and Ctrl+R to right align like this. This is the right way. Ctrl+S to save your file. Press Ctrl+S, and also this is the universal shortcut for saving the files, and also this shortcut will work almost all programs. Ctrl T, hanging indent. So press Ctrl T. We can see the changes the indent here. So this area we have indent. It's a mean you can move your text and you can make the space between text and margin. Next one is Ctrl U to make the underline. Select your text and Ctrl U. So you can create this underline. Ctrl V to paste. So firstly Ctrl C to copy, and you can paste anyway your content by pressing Ctrl V like this. Just you press Ctrl and V. So you can paste your text, your file, your folder. So this is the universe, and almost you will get in this program. Right click and Ctrl C, so copy, select it and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, like you want to paste here, like this. Ctrl W, close or resize and skew. Press Ctrl W. So it will exit your file and it will resize like Ctrl W. So it will close that file like this. Next one is Ctrl X to cut, Ctrl Y redo and Ctrl Z undo. If you have any mistakes, so you can make Ctrl Z, like incidentally you deleted, like we deleted in this text. So firstly select and delete. Now you need return again that one. So Ctrl Z. So it will undo your last action. Again you want to delete. So Ctrl Y. So it will redo your last action. So this is the use shortcut key for PC or laptop for MS Word A to Z with control. Thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.